What's up guys, welcome back to another drawing tutorial, Dragon Ball. Today Goku Super Saiyan 6 is a fan one. It's the yellow one. So I know there's lots of different types of Super Saiyan 6, but I thought this one looked slick. So let's draw this. I'm on landscape paper. This would work portrait probably, but I'm just on landscape. And we'll start with his big old eyebrow. So we'll go check mark, starting here. And we'll curve it around. Goes underneath his hair spike, so I'll stop it here, right? But you could keep going, draw the whole thing if you want. But we'll go this way, back that way. So it comes to like a square end there somewhere. But we'll do a very thin Goku eye. So we'll go a small line here. Now in this version, the outsides of his eye lines are real thick. So they're like just sort of darker than normal. It's kind of like Majin Vegeta, sort of that sort of dark outline. And we'll just bring these together. So very slender, small eyes. And then the green Super Saiyan eye is in here. And then his pupil just underneath there. So and then there's some like forehead lines up here. And then the frown in the middle, so it's like a double bump just here. And then his eyebrow line will go this way. And then the bottom goes up. Like so. And again, it goes underneath hair, so you could finish it if you want. It'll just go to a sort of a spike, but it's probably better to just leave it like that. And then we have the small line. It's coming out there. And then that long eye line in the corner. And then you just sort of curve them together. Join them with a curved line, like so. And then his green Super Saiyan iris and pupil. You could barely see the pupil. It's probably like just in there. Right, then his nose, so it's kind of like got a bit of a wrinkle on it, and then it like spikes out, down and back that way. And then we normally get the sort of shadow on the bottom. And then maybe another sort of wrinkle or two there. So he's got like a confident smile. And then we got some cheek lines just underneath his eye. That sort of those hatching lines that they have. And then on this side as well, just following that bottom eyelid shape. And then like his chin sort of just there. Right, so strong chin at the bottom. Then I think we see his jaw just go off this way underneath the hair. So because he's in 3/4 pose, it's his jaw on this side and then his sort of cheek on this side. So it's like sticks out this way. Kind of goes a different direction. And then up. Like so. And then hair spikes. So just up here above the eye, we get a little V, and then hair spikes come out. So we go out and down that way, out and down this way. And then this hair spike goes back, up, down. And we get like hairline in there. And this other spike real big. Alright, and then right, his ears in here. Big ears in Dragon Ball. And some ear lines inside. And there's like some hair lines just on these hair spikes. Right, so then that's sort of big Super Saiyan. It's kind of like Super Saiyan 4 hair, but golden. So up and around, and it kind of, okay, so we'll start here. So it comes over his shoulder with those sort of big spikes that sit on the shoulder. Okay, and then there's like a little small one here. The other one on the shoulder kind of comes out from behind his neck, so we gotta draw a bit of the neck first, just here. And then this goes down. And there's a little spike here. So then it all like spikes out around and joins the other side. So we'll go starting there. Like that, and then there's a big one up here. Probably goes off my page. Just goes to a spike and then comes back in. And there's a cluster of 3 in here. Excuse me. And then we get a big one here. And then this way. And just keep adding them as we go down. Another one in between, and then they kind of go behind his shoulder somewhere there. So, but that's the shape of his hair, and then we can sort of add like texture lines on each one, 2 or 3 on each one. You don't have to go crazy. You don't have, there is like loads in the picture I'm drawn from, but just like texture lines, just to show the curvature and texture of his hair. So that's his hair. So anatomy now. So his body's kind of turned. So we get like his neck muscle going that way. And there's Adam's apple. And these two neck muscles always go into the center of your chest, right? So we got like two bumps for the middle line of his chest. And then it goes out that way. It's kind of like a letter Y. Okay, so he's in 3/4 pose. So this pectoral muscle is going to be like twice the size of this one. So it's going to go like out to here, and he hits that golden fur a little bit on the shoulder and then around. So you're in 3/4 pose. So you want to go like half the size of this pec. So you want to go like there. So roughly you could fit about 2 of them across. And then his like furry sort of belly is there. And his furry shoulder on this side. So it'll go very large now. It's kind of like fur lines coming down. So kind of like sketchy, hairy lines. Down there. Then we get a bicep, again hairy, and then his tricep, and then his forearm goes down. Now there's all sort of anatomy muscles inside this, right? So they do it, but they do it kind of hairy, right? So his deltoid, your front and rear delts, they all have like textures on them, and then your bicep. We can finish his hair spikes and trapezius and stuff here as well. So again, this is just has like hairy textures on it. And then his forearm muscle. Then going this way. Okay, so we get some abs. So just coming down from here. 1, 2, 3. 2 of them are skin and 2 of them are fur. So these are skin, right? The ones on this side. Or the two layers of them at the top. So they're pink, and then these are furry. And then we have the sort of oblique muscles, which are kind of like letter Ys just there. Just like textures then on the yellow parts. And then he's got like that waistband, bumpy on the edges, and then curves across, just sort of wavy. And then lines that come across then. And his pants just goes down that way. And last but not least, the shoulder on this side, just a furry sort of shoulder sticking out there. And then his tricep, bicep, forearm. And we are done. Super Saiyan 6 fan version. Hope it was helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.